up, my people? Today we're talking about surety. Mongs, you're clever, right?
Darn it, Daniel. What do you want?
Less attitude, please. Here's the thing. Leslie, you know Leslie?
Yeah.
Came to me yesterday and she's like, yo, Nathaniel, I'm getting a new car. And I was like, yay.
Good for
And then,
her.
But she's like, I need you to stand surety for me.
Oh, yeah? That's a good idea.
It's not that big of a deal, right? I mean, standing surety is just like a quick sign, sure. It's just, there's no big deal, right?
There is no sign, sure. It means if you stand surety for someone
Yeah.
and anything happens to them,
Yeah.
you are liable or responsible for their debt.
Aha! So it's like my debt is your debt and your debt is my debt. It would take an eternity to break us. Then we'd never ever get there.
So your debt has nothing to do with it.
Okay.
It's just the debt that you signed surety for.
Okay.
So let me just put it this way.
Yeah.
If for some reason
Yeah.
Leslie cannot make the payment, then you will have to pay the amount.
I must pay Leslie's debt
Yes.
because she can't.
Yeah.
Okay.
What are you doing?
Oh, I'm just blocking Leslie on WhatsApp.
That was fast.
I'm not paying nobody's debt. That's madness.
Oh, good. Yeah.
No, Leslie can take a taxi. Leslie can take. There's taxis in her area. No, she can be here with it. She can be here with it.
Going to Tembisa, right?
Alpha Leslie. Or here. Or Orange Farm. I'm just blocked. I'm someone on LinkedIn as well. Just now I'm professionally blocking her because LinkedIn is professional.
So savage, guy.
What's that word?
There's nothing.
There's nothing. The script said nothing. I'm not gonna say anything else now. Shut up.
Just know that your debt is their debt. It means that if anything happens to them, then you're reliable. Well, reliable.
Reliable warehouse, bringing you reliable surety prices.